Okay, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is start on the front mudguard. I've been sort of thinking black or silver, I don't know, I'm not sure which one I'm going to pick, but what I am going to do is get the best finish I can, so join me. Definitely repping on the soft, but on the closer inspection there's a snap line down. Okay, so I've taken it off and I've had a look at it and it's cracked right there, so I need to address that. Got the plastic roller out. Have a go with it. Right, hopefully you can see that bit there. It's on one side. Let's see if I can do that bit on the bit tricky. So what I do is go over the area first. Much like welding. No, that's not strong enough yet, but it gives you the general idea. Fill that gap in between there with some of this cable tie. Please remember to do this in a very well ventilated room. Because I'm pretty sure this isn't good for you. Okay, that's one side. That's one side done there. And I'll just take it around the other side. And that's the other side done. Might not look too pretty at the moment, but that's pretty strong. There's the other side. You can see I've built up the layer, good layer, cable tie, weld, whatever you want to call it. And done so there as well. Okay, so further on to what I did with plastic welding, I've also sunk this U-nail in there for extra strength. So as far as I'm concerned, job's a good one now. It's not going to go anywhere. It's a proper job on that. So we'll move on to the next bit. So by flattening it back, I'm making this surface as smooth as I can, ready for the paint to go on top of it. got a couple of small blemishes, one there, and the major ones are there and there. So I'm just going to fill them up with some of this nice and putty and sand it over afterwards and try and make it as smooth as possible for the black coat. Good wipe over with acetone and we start with paint.
Hi there. Well, that was a bit of a muck up. My camera ran out of battery, so here we are, 2 coats later. I think I might have put a bit too much on one side, so I've noticed a drip. I might be able to save that, but if not, it'll have to be sanded down and recoated. So anyway, I'll show you what it looks like now. Right, so this is what I'm talking about. Right here, we've got a drip. There's a fair bit of orange peeling on there, but I'm hoping that that's going to flatten out given a bit of time. I'm going to need another can or two to do a decent job on these. We'll see how they turn out after they've actually dried and cured, but it looks like I'm probably going to have to recoat them. The tank, well, you can sort of see a reflection a little bit there, but it's still a bit orange peely. There are some little dings and marks that haven't come out too well, but it's getting a lot chillier now outside, so it's becoming quite a job to try and get these parts painted in good time. But I'm reasonably happy with it. There's a good couple of points that I need to look at and probably rub it down with a very fine wet and dry. But that's pretty much where we are at the moment anyway, so I thought I'd just do this on my phone just to show you. So from different surroundings, I'll end this video here. I hope you enjoyed that, hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.